Hi everybody, welcome back to our module on LinkedIn marketing. So far we have created LinkedIn profile as well as LinkedIn page on this very platform. Now onwards we will start with LinkedIn advertising. We will see how to actually create LinkedIn campaigns to target the different audience. So LinkedIn is basically used for B2B lead generation, but it is not limited to that only. You can also use it for your retail consumers or retail audience. You can see on the LinkedIn website, it is mentioned that you can use this LinkedIn platform to boost your content across different devices. You can reach your audience when they are most engaged, when you will start your campaigns on this platform. It is another advantage to use the LinkedIn for marketing purpose that you use the real professional data to drive your real results. And similarly, you can inspire your audience to take action through the funnel. So we will talk about what is funnel here. So how to start? So I will teach you from scratch that how to create your first campaign on LinkedIn platform. So for this purpose, first of all, you have to go to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Now this is the URL linkedin.com campaign manager /login. Now what is a campaign manager? So campaign manager is a dedicated platform from the LinkedIn where you will be able to manage all the campaigns for your company, for your organization, or for your advertising agency. I will say it is a single point where you will be able to see, manage, create all your marketing advertising campaigns. So for this purpose, first of all, you have to log into the LinkedIn Campaign Manager. So I have already given my email ID. So let me just set my password here and sign in. Now, what is the first thing that you have to perform here under the Campaign Manager? You have to create an ad account. Now before we proceed further, before I discuss rest of the things about Campaign Manager, it is very important to understand the structure of Campaign Managers first. So I will take you first that what is the structure of Campaign Manager, then we will start our campaigns from here. So let us try to understand the structure of Campaign Manager. So here at the top, or when you will start working under the Campaign Manager, first of all you have to create an ad account. So you may create one ad account or you may create multiple ad accounts under the Campaign Manager. But the question is there, why there is a need for creating multiple ad accounts? So actually sometimes one account is not sufficient for me. For example, I am advertising agency and I have different clients. So what I can do, I can manage my each client under each ad account. So it means Campaign Manager provides me this facility. I can create multiple ad accounts as well. But in this demonstration, I will go with one ad account only. There can be another reason for which you have to create another ad account. For example, if you are having the multiple LinkedIn pages for your organization and you want to run the advertising campaigns for different pages, even then you have to create or you can create different ad accounts. And similarly, if you are ad agency or you are multinational company and you want to create or you want to manage the campaigns in different currencies, even then for different currencies you can create different ad accounts. But as I said, you have to first create one ad account and it is sufficient for me for this demonstration purpose, and we will go ahead with the ad account and I will show you in a while what is the process of creation of ad account. Now once your ad account is created, next level of your structure of this Campaign Manager is the campaign group. You can create multiple campaign groups, but what is the purpose of creating the campaign group? Now under each campaign group, you can create different campaigns. For example, you can create one campaign group for targeting on the basis of target audience, on the basis of marketing objectives, or on the basis of marketing programs. But we have to create one campaign group and it will host the multiple campaigns. See here, let me show you. Now in this one, when you are creating a campaign group, and let us say you have more than one campaign under the same group, then you can set the budget for all the campaigns. You can set the start date and end date for all the campaigns which are falling under the same campaign group. You can pause, you can start, you can measure the campaign performance here. So it means that there will be more than one campaigns under the campaign group if you want to manage it. But at the campaign group, all these things are there which you can set. So in a while, we will see how to create the campaign group under the ad account. Now, one important thing here, under the campaign group, one campaign group, you can create 1000 campaigns. 1000 campaigns per campaign group, but there is no limitation that how many campaign groups can be created. In simple language, you can see when you combine 2 to 3 different campaigns, and then they can be put under one campaign group, so that you can control all these campaigns at a single point. You can set, as I already said, the start date, budget, end date, pause date for all the campaigns which are falling under the same group. So once you are having the campaign group, this obviously now under the campaign groups you can create different campaigns. And what usually we do when we are creating the campaigns, you can set the campaign objectives, you can set the target audience, you can select the ad format, or you can set the budget and scheduling for each of the campaign. I hope this structure is clear. So what we will do now onwards, first I will show you how to create an account or an ad account. Then we will create one campaign group, and then we will see how to create a campaign. So let us move back to our page where we are in the process of creation of ad account. So we have logged in to the campaign manager. The first time when you are logged into the campaign manager, it will ask you to create your ad account. Yes, so by default it is giving this ad account name, but I'm just changing. You can give any name here. So I'm just SWAM ad account. The second thing is the currency. So select an appropriate currency. So I'm selecting the Indian rupee here. Now this is important because you have to link one ad account with your LinkedIn page. Yes, so it means you have, that is why I was saying that you have to create the LinkedIn page first. So here you can either give the name of the page or you can give the URL of the page that you have already created. But question is how to get the URL of the page. Don't worry. For this purpose, log into your LinkedIn account and you will see, I think if you remember, we created one page in our previous video. So this was the techtejinder.com. So just click on this page and it will open the page for you that you have just created. From here, how to capture the URL. So don't copy this part, don't copy this one. So just click here, share the page. Click on this share page and you will see one option here, copy link. Click on this copy link and come back to the LinkedIn campaign manager and just paste that link here, right? So and see, it has fetched the data from there. It is showing me my page account. It is showing me my page name here. So I think all things are set. Just click on this create account. So we have created our ad account here. Now let us see how to proceed further in the next video.